Nigeria is battling with its worst floods in a decade, with more than 300 people killed in 2022, and at least 20 has been killed this week. The National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, has said over 600 people have been a victim of flood in Nigeria. I am Abdullah Salahuddin, and here I am again to ask Nigerians their opinions on today's episode of The Conversation. Can you tell us about the flood problem in your area?
Yeah, the flood problem in Nigeria is too much. Many people are homeless today. But I will not say because of bad government, because we are the one that will make the government. So now we are pleading with the government and the incoming government and the youth and the leaders to select the right person so that things can be a little bit better. My name is Honorable Gift Israel Ojekwe. So I plead with Nigerians to vote right this time around so that Nigeria can be better. Things are very expensive. People are homeless. Water has destroyed so many homes, which is very bad. So this year and 2023 coming election, we plead to everybody to go and get their PVC and vote for the right person. I believe when we are the right people, we have to come together and make it right. We don't want anybody to decide for us. Let us youth, human beings, all of us to come out and decide who will make us best, who Nigeria can be better. Children can go back to school. LASO is on strike today, which is very bad. And some of all these governors, you see, their children is over there, abroad, schooling, which is very bad. Please, we plead for the right government, and government should start giving us a good structure, good houses where people can live, and tie the road for that matter, tie street and make gutters to be open so that the flood, the rains can move. If the flood rains are moving, they do enough gutters, better one, things will be better. Our people are suffering, things are very high. So we plead this year and 2023, we ask the whole Nigerians, youth, leaders, elders, to come out with their PVC and vote for the right person. And we believe things will be better. Thank you.
Can you tell us about the flood problem in your area, sir?
As a Mustawa, Solar Road, omi pọ̀ jù ńbẹ̀, àgbàrá ni ọ̀nà ìrọ̀lẹ́ tún dá, kọ́ bá aṣọ náà wá ọ̀nà Mushin, kọ́ bá ṣe ọ̀n gbẹ̀jú díẹ̀ náà, but gbẹ̀jú yóò tó ọ̀n tí àwọn ìjọba náà ti àbọ̀ ìgò tó ni. Solar Road òjò tẹ̀lé báyìí àgbàrá ni mọ́tò náà lè kọjá èyí ẹsẹ̀ gan àti kọjá wà láàní.
What would you like to say to the government, sir?
Kọ́lá tó jọba pé kọ́ ẹ̀pù wá ní Mushin, ọ̀nà tí ò da kọ́ bá ṣe kọ́ bá ṣe tí tó da náà, ẹnu yẹ̀ tí ò da kọ́ bá ṣe sì wá iná gbogbo ẹ̀ kí iná máa wà kò sí iná kò sí ọkàn. Kọ́ ẹ̀pù wa náà ìlú wa kọ́ ní ìbàyẹ̀ tẹ́tẹ́lẹ̀ náà wọ́n kọ́ wọ́n bá gbọ́ ṣùgbọ́n àtúnṣe padà.
Ẹ sọ fún wa nípa flood tó wà ní àdúgbò yín, sir.
Gbogbo àdúgbò ojúmọ́ tó jọba ti rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kí ayé kọjá mi báyìí tó yẹ pé wọ́n máa ń dúró fún ní tágbà máa ga tó pé máa ń lo bí 1 hour 30 minutes kan kó tó pé òjò máa tó lọ.
Kí lẹ máa fẹ́ sọ fún gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì, sir, fún ìjọba?
Àfẹ́ràn lọ́wọ́ ìjọba láti pé kí wọ́n ràn wá lọ́wọ́ kí wọ́n bá ṣe nǹkan tó bá wà ṣe sí láti pé káwọn ìmọ̀ràn yìí máa kọjá tó ní máa sí pàgbàrá yìí máa disturb àwọn àti kọjá máa.
Tójò bá ń rọ̀ àgbàrá máa ń kún bí báyìí omi èèyàn sábà ń lọ dáadáa èèyàn máa ń ṣọ sọ máa ń lọ sí kókó máa ṣọ àwọn àwa láti inú àdúgbò bá àwọn máa wá káàkiri so máa kọ máa ń jẹ́ pé everywhere máa look so rẹ̀ máa ń da dẹ̀tí sínú ẹ̀ náà wọ́n bí take away kankan.
Kí lẹ máa fẹ́ kí ìjọba ṣe, sir?
Fẹ́ kí ìjọba go number 1 kọ́ lọ sódò àti àbápá yẹn ojú ọ̀nà bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò da gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ lówó oríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ bá lọ sí gbogbo ẹ̀ sì omi ní tírélà ṣubú kọ́ńtẹ́nà ṣubú torí àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn fẹ́ kí ìjọba kọ́ lọ bá mójútó torí àwọn transport àwọn tó ń lọ ń gbé kan á máa dọ̀rọ̀ fún àwọn olómi tó ń gbé kọ̀ǹtínà wọn ń ṣubú ẹ bá lọ sí gbogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́ máa bá kọ̀ǹtínà lórí ṣubú so gbogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀ kọ́ bá kí ìjọba kọ́ bá mójútó so nǹkan táwa fẹ́ nìyẹn.
Òjò máa ń kún gbogbo títì take away foam gbogbo ẹ̀ òjò máa ń disturb wa tójò bá ti rọ̀ àgbàrá máa ń disturb àwọn èèyàn kì í lè wọ wọn kì í lè wá jáde wá ra ọjà.
Kí lẹ máa fẹ́ kí ìjọba ṣe fún yín mọ́?
Àkíjọba ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ni o kọ́jọ kọ́ bá kó gbogbo kọ́ta ẹ̀ dáadáa kójò lè máa kómi ẹ̀ lè máa lọ dáadáa.
àwọn ọmọ skul tó bá mọ̀ láti skul omi ti gùn wọn lọ dáadáa rí lọ́nà olóṣàmbẹ̀ yẹn tẹ́pọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn wá gẹ́gẹ́ náà lè kọjá wá síbi ìbádẹ́lá níjọba àgbádùn wọn nǹkan wọn àgbádùn jọ kọ́tà ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ṣe kàkà tó yẹ kó gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ṣiṣẹ́ aráàlú wọn lọ́ọ́ máa gbéṣẹ́ fún gbogbo ẹ̀ṣà ó ti sú wa àwọn ọmọ yẹn jábọ́ sínú ibẹ̀ o àwọn ọmọ yẹn jábọ́ àwọn náà dẹ̀ bímọ kọ́rọ̀ tàwọn ọmọ yẹn òun ni kò fi dá wa lóhùn.
ilé fẹ́ kí ìjọba ṣe fún yín.
nǹkan tí ìjọba máa ṣe pọ̀ o wọ́n bá wa ṣe pọ̀ ìmẹ̀kúnnù dẹ̀ ń sọ́fà gan-an à ń sọ́fà gan-an ṣiṣẹ́ bí aláìṣe nǹkan tó ń rà ní 10 naira tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti di 1000 tí ó dẹ̀ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ ajẹran wa wá ń jẹ egun à ń sọ́fà gan o ẹ̀jẹ̀ bá kíjọba jọ kó ràn wá lọ́wọ́ kó ṣàánú wa ebi ń pọ̀ mẹ̀kúnnù o ọmọ yìí ń jókòó ojó gbé lọ ọpọlọpọ àwọn union lọ́lọ́gbé wá padà.
Can you tell us about the flood problem in your area, sir?
The problem that I have here is that if rain fall now, it makes customers to not come here very well because if the water no dey flush well for here and we need to tie this road for us because it makes customers to no cross outside. We make them to follow in other places. That's the problem that we have for here.
What would you like to say to the government? Or what would you like for the government to do?
What the government to do is that to come and they construct this road for us, to tie it and do it well so that if a customer is passed, a customer will see what they want and the way that looking for customer will see more customers.
Can you tell us about flood problem in Lagos?
Yeah, the flood problem in Lagos is much. We are facing flood. Once rain drops, we see flood every day and it affects my chain.
What can you say to the government? What would you like to say to the government?
They need to fix the road because the roads are bad. All the roads are bad. So
is it only the road that the government should fix?
If the road
is there anything for the government to do?
If the road is good, the rest is light. But normally it's road that will start. With road they can fix light, but without road they can't fix light. So that's my own belief.
Ẹ sọ fún wa nípa àgbàrá tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ládùúgbò yìí.
Ṣé rí àgbàrá máa ń pọ̀ táwọn èèyàn bá fẹ́ bá wa rajà wọn ò wá bá wa rajà pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan lọ́dọ̀ tún sí wọn ẹ bá wa bájọba sọ̀rọ̀ kó mú gbogbo nǹkan yìí kó wálé ṣé rí gbogbo ẹ̀wọ̀n báyìí sí kò ṣe kí nàá dá títì náà dá ẹ bá wa bájọba sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ọjà yìí náà ṣe kí nàá máa lọ á máa bọ̀ á máa rí nǹkan lẹ́nìí sí ẹni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ sí kò dàbí ẹni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ olúkálùkù sí à ń tọrọ jẹ ni ẹ bá wa bájọba sọ̀rọ̀ kó jọ kó wò ṣe fún wa àwọn ọmọ skul náà owó skul náà wọ́n àwọn ọmọ mi ní ìsìn wọn lọ́wọ́ náà wọn private gbogbo ẹ̀sán wọn sí skul ìjọba irú ẹ̀jẹ̀ lẹ́yìn sí tábàárẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ní ìsìn irú ẹlẹ́yìn sí à ń tàn 3,025 kò dẹ̀ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ irú ẹ̀jẹ̀ àbátá ilé 15 1,000 ẹ bá wa bájọba sọ̀rọ̀ èkó yóò ní bàjẹ́.
Natural resources like rain cannot be prevented, so the government should provide resources to avoid significant flood risk and suffering. I am Abdullah Salahuddin from AFRICUNIA TV.